Nakapag-breakfast mo sa SI Runners. Thank you very much. Sa next. 8 daw kami yun. 8. Okay, 5 miles or 8 kilometers. Dyan. Huli. Kasabihan.
Ha? Kasabihan? There is sunshine.
Okay, barefoot running day 347. Ayun, may rainbow. Sabi natin si teacher, nag-CR lang. Nag-uulan kasi kaya lang latakbo. Ganda ng rainbow. Nabuo na yung rainbow. Kasama natin si teacher. Nasaan ba? Ayun. Teacher, ano kami sabihan mo ngayon?
There is sunshine after the rain.
Okay, let's go. Nabuo na yung rainbow. Kasama natin si teacher. Nasaan ba? Ayun. Teacher, ano kami sabihan mo ngayon?
There is sunshine after the rain.
Okay, let's go. Ayan, nabuo na yung rainbow. Ayun. Ayan yung rainbow ko talaga. Ayun, hindi. Umuulan.
Wala, maliligo ka kasi.
Running. Raining while running. Sarap, di ba? Ayun yung ano.
Wala akong maikot.
Okay, 1 kilometer, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 10 minutes and 10 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 97 kilocalories per. Wala na. Okay, 2 kilometers, teacher. Wala na ulan. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 170 kilocalories per. Alright. Aring araw. Okay, 3 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 268 kilocalories per. Alright. Okay, 4 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Ang calories burn natin is 345 kilocalories per. Alright. Okay, 5 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 436 kilocalories burn. 8 daw kami yun. 8. Okay, 6 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 514 kilocalories burn. Last 2. Shoutout kay sir. Good morning. Hit training na, sir. 7 na, sir. 7. Last one. Okay, 7 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 675 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 5 miles or 8 kilometers. Dyan. Huli. Ang oras natin ay 1 minute and 3 seconds. Pace natin huli is 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Overall pace natin 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 710. Sir, good morning. 710 kilocalories per. Shoutout kay Sir Warley. Hit training. Calories burn, tama na, no? Okay, cool down na, cool down. Teacher, congrats.
8. 5 miles.
Kasabihan.
Ha? Kasabihan? There is sunshine after the rain.
Parang sinabi mo na yun,
There is rainbow after the rain.
Kanina umuulan eh. Pero ngayon okay na. Sarap. Salamat po. Alright. Nakapag-breakfast mo sa SI Runners. Thank you very much. Sa next. Shoutout sa mga SI Runners. Solid.